What's up, y'all? How's it going? Heading back to the lake today. The goal is to try to catch some crappie. I'd like 4 or 5 crappie, maybe eat them tomorrow, but I'm just getting out and about. It was better than sitting at home. I'll get back to you when I'm on the water. Hopefully we can rip some lips. It's taking me all morning, but finally found a little pile of crappie. Caught 2 out of it. Thought I was videoing, but I wasn't. So, anyways, using the old hand-tied jig. We got white, I think it's white bucktail. Not sure what color Chanel that is, and a white head on a 16th ounce jig. So they're liking it so far, so I'm gonna keep after them. Catch a couple more. Freaking slab. Look at that bad boy. Perfect old fish. Perfect fish right there. Fixing to eat me some crappies. I see a big crappie there at the bottom. I don't know, he just ain't even spitting at it. Here we go. Got one. He came from a minute. I don't think it's a very big one though. Oh, heck yeah, that's a keeper for sure. Very nice. He hit the old hand tie. It's green. So I got the dark green Chanel, light green tail, bucktail with silver all in it and white head. That's a good crappie right there. Like about 15 of those. Maybe they want it hanging today. They have been one getting reeled by them, but maybe today they just want it to be hanging over the top of them. Crappie are weird, man. Got him. Oh yeah. Huge bass. My goodness. What are you doing down there, buddy? You look big, kinda. Trick me. Oh yeah, got him. That's a good one too. Oh yeah. Heck yeah. They're a good old crappie right there. They've been slow every morning this week. Anyways, at least I'm getting to come out here and fish and catch some fish. That's what's important. Well, it's been an incredibly slow day. I got 4 though. 4 good ones. Nope, 3. No, 4. Now I'm gonna go back to the boat ramp, load the boat up, and cook a few up. I'm hungry too, can't wait. So, I got done fishing. I'm hungry now, so I'm gonna eat me some food. So I pulled over here. It's a pretty little spot on the lake. I got me 2 fish. I threw the other 2 back. I'm gonna clean these 2 and then eat them. All right, I got my good crappie fillets here. Old fillets. Just gonna come over here and wash them off in the lake. All right, they're good to go now. Got the pan heating up. Pan's been over here heating up, putting it in the back of the truck like that, so it'll have a little bit of a windbreak. Got my fresh fillets here. Hit them with a little bit of That's all I got with me today, so. Oh yeah. I ain't got much time, so I'm just gonna go ahead and throw them all in. Like that. Whew, pretty good. Hi. No, I was just cooking some fish. Yeah. No better place, that's right. It's a handy little stove right here. I like this thing. If you don't have a battery-powered flame knife, you got to get one. These things are so handy. Just pack it with me everywhere I go. Every time I go fishing, pop out, play some fish. Don't need no plugins or nothing. It's pretty awesome. I love this thing. Recently got me a little box for my goodies. Basically just holds forks and utensils, conies, and a spatula. My old spatula is brand new, as you can tell. First use right here. Go for the flip. Ooh. That was a loud one. Oh, it's gonna be so good. Yeah, caught a few crappie. That's just, yeah. No, no, probably the biggest one's probably a £1.5 pounds. In between £1 and £1.5 pounds. No big ones. No, I caught a pretty decent one the other day. It was probably close to 2, but those are not real frequent. Yeah. Go for it, man. Nice talking to you. Pretty friendly guy. Just come through here, going fishing, I guess. So you can go hang out by the water and try to catch a white bass. Sample the fish, see if it's done. It looks pretty done. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, it's steaming hot though, I'll tell you that. Pile of fish right there. Fire. It's gonna be amazing. I can't wait, I'm so excited. Beautiful, flaky, fresh crappie swimming like 15 minutes ago or so. Tony's is pretty good on fish, I'm not gonna lie. It's good on everything. Big old chunk of crappie right here. That's amazing. All right, unfortunately I got to row. I don't want anybody to be waiting on me. I'm supposed to go look at Christmas lights. I leave at 3 o'clock and it's 2 o'clock, so it's time for me to roll out. It's been fun. It's been a good one. If you made it this far in the video, go down there and just hit like for me. Do all the things if you're feeling crazy. Like, subscribe, comment. But likes and comments really, really help push the video out. So if you could just turn your phone right side up and just hit the like button for me, please. It takes 3 seconds. Push 3. Helps a lot. That's probably gonna be it for this video. I'm gonna eat the rest of this and roll out of here. So see you in the next video.